Hey everybody, welcome back to Plant Stuff. This is update number 3 on the free container garden. Free container garden. Can't speak today. Yeah, just want to update you guys. We've been harvesting out of these buckets. In my last video, I was talking about how I cut my plants down. I've been harvesting this twice a week, which has been really nice. And so again, like my last video, you cut it a few inches or a few centimeters off the surface. You want to leave at least 2 leaves, if not 4, if you want to be conservative. And what that does is, especially plants like the spinach here, is it slows it down from going to seed. Like we're coming into summer here in Canada. Oh, thank goodness. But you'll see how the spinach, this guy's spinach, how the leaves are turning more of a spade shape. That means it's turning to seed and it's about to flower. So spinach is more of like a early spring, late winter crop in Canada here. It doesn't like the heat and a lot of sun, or it just decides, oh, hey, it's time to make babies, make some flowers and seeds and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I trim all that down. What that does too for you guys is gives you young tender leaves every time, rather than eating this old kale that's like really big and tough. And a lot of people don't even eat the stems. Like where's kale? Find a little kale here. So like these guys. I mean, it's just like that spring mix you buy in the store. There's a whole bucket of kale. So you just cut that. It's super tender. You could eat that in a salad, which I don't, but it would be best rather than the old tough leaves. So that's why we do that. And it just grows back, guys. It's just like mowing your lawn. You just come by twice a week with some scissors or knife, and yeah. And they actually do that in the farms. When you buy that spring mix, they use a fancy, like, almost looks like a sheep shearer device. They just kind of run that straight over all the crops and cut them all down, and then they wash them and they sell them to you guys for, I don't know, $30 a kilogram, $40 these days. I don't remember. It's a lot of money anyway. Yeah, and then on the end here we got a chard I'm growing for a good friend of mine. Those grow to be huge. We'll be cutting that down in a week or two too. It'll grow straight back. What else did I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, look at this little Christmas miracle. So this right here, believe it or not, is a wild weed in Canada. It's called miner's lettuce. I don't know the Latin name, but it's actually my favorite vegetable here. So for it to be growing a month from summer in this bucket, because it usually comes out, yeah, straight after winter. So the fact that this little seed got in this bucket and it's going to give me a little taste of miner's lettuce in summer is a very nice treat. I'm pretty chuffed about that. So that's very awesome. Other thing I wanted to share with you guys is the deer smashed my peas. These peas were up on these stakes and ready to make flowers and peas, but the deer just ate them all. So now I'm regretting not eating the pea shoots, and that's what we'll be doing. Like, this will grow straight back. We just got some rain, and peas are tough, but yeah, I'm gonna have a snack on that before the deer do, because once the deer get a taste of something, they'll come back, which is bizarre actually, because they left all those alone. So the dogs must have scared them off, or a bear or something. We are in Canada. There are black bears. Alright guys, that's about it for today. Hope you're having a great day, and smash like, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And yeah, enjoy the nice sunny weather. Alright guys, that's it for now. Bye now.